At the YU Innovation Lab, we work tirelessly to help young companies grow, develop their products or services, and advance to their next stages. Recently, we sat down to catch up with founders from the 4 companies that we worked with this past summer to hear what they were up to and ask about how they felt their experiences were working with the Innovation Lab over a series of Zoom interviews. Take a look.
Yeah, the lab was tremendously helpful. I think Joey and Akuva, there were so many things that they brought to the table. From a weekly basis, they just brought a tremendous amount of energy, especially during this COVID world, to the entire team. And in addition to that, the work that they've done both from a product perspective as well as an ROI perspective are things that we continue to work with. So really appreciate the lab for the help this summer and look forward to working with you continuously going forward.
So why Yeshiva University? Great stuff. Like Maria Blaker, like Thomas Cannon, that have a lot of knowledge in businesses process in USA. Yeshiva University is located in USA. USA is huge market. We need academic resources that actually believe in us in order to push us forward.
The Innovation Lab has really helped us with the market research in the United States. We joined the Innovation Lab about a year ago. We were founded just a little bit over a year ago. So that additional manpower from students who are smart, dedicated, whose insights we trust, was so helpful.
I'm Akiv Solomon, and again, I've been a participant and for the last 2 programs. It's not only the last one, it's 2 of them actually, and each one has been better than the other. The Innovation Lab has been a critical factor to our decision-making process at Imoovo. The product originally was made for developing countries, but there were ideas of how we could basically customize this for the US market, and that's where the students and the graduates of Yeshiva University had a big role to play, especially in the second term in summer. We're really blessed to have 2 very bright students with sharp business sense, although undergraduates, but they came with the maturity and the professional attitude required to help us market research. Mr. Tom was supervising this project personally and had a very, very big role to play. And I would say that 2021 roadmap, the product roadmap, has changed thanks to Yeshiva University.
Well, now we have the pleasure of being joined by the founder and director of the Yeshiva University Innovation Lab, as well as an associate clinical professor in the SciSim School of Business, Dr. Maria Blecker. Dr. Blecker, how are you doing today, and what are the next steps going forward for the Yeshiva University Innovation Lab?
So I'm great. Thank you for asking, SJ. We're developing something truly unique here. It's a startup accelerator within an academic setting. In the lab, we amplify the synergy between YU student, brilliant Israeli entrepreneurs, and all the assets New York City has to offer. We will be unlocking many more opportunities and building up for the future.
Well, it sounds extremely exciting, and I cannot wait to see the progress of the lab going forward and be a part of it as well. Thank you so much again for joining us.
Thank you, SJ.